Hi, this is Adobe InDesign short video about increase your productivity because when we open a document on Adobe InDesign, they are actually have default font like this Minion Pro. Okay, this is the things actually need to change because we don't need to Minion Pro font, and there we just want to use another font that's come from default. That is the reason I just make this video because this is very short and easy. So first of all, we need to close any document open on there. Just go to the type, and there have a font, and actually there we need to choose our font. I just need to choose Poppins font or something like this. Here we have the option to go down, so I just need to go on there. I'm think that I just need to use Calibri font. Okay, so regular. So I just set the font and now check the any document if it work or not. Okay, so I just go to later document, and here I can see there Calibri font and regular. This is the quick tutorial for making a productivity of your Adobe InDesign tasks. That's it. Thank you.